This is the Puked city from the viewpoint top on the hill in Puked Island. It's a beautiful view. And from here we can see the whole city down below. And there, far away is our cruise. There. Well, far away we can see our cruise waiting for us to come back within the next 2 hours. And it's a beautiful country, Thailand. And the Phuket, of course. It's amazing. The view is very good from here. The view is very good. And we're enjoying the early morning sight in the sunshine with a lot of vitamin D. And that's a lovely morning. And hi, viewers. That's a lovely morning. Enjoying at Phuket early in the morning. Have a nice day.